Hello winners, welcome to this weekly webinar live with a giveaway of my mentorship, where I help you at any given time, any day, with technical and fundamental analysis. I hope you are fine. I hope you have an amazing day. I can see the chat, so if you have any pairs you want me to cover, please tell them and we'll go through some pairs. Then we'll go to the giveaway. I will check if there's anyone who has signed up during this live. So I will give you 10 minutes, and if there's nobody new, we will do the giveaway, a random number, and I will already categorize them. So if there is anybody new, I will import them. Everything will be fine. Okay, awesome. So I want to go to oil, because oil is an very interesting pair. We have been falling and falling and falling due to the, what can you call it, the coronavirus, where you have now reversed. That's what I will call a reverse. And also you would be willing and wanting to enter. So I would say that any price from 51.50, 51.42 all the way down to 50.80 is prices to consider to enter. This webinar does not contain any investment advice. Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. So whatever money you invest, you can end up losing them. And also we're going to go through entries on USD and targets and stop losses. So first of all, for oil, that's where we want to go through, maybe down to 51, then up, and we want to have a target of at least 54 of this high here. But I won't be shocked if it goes all the way up to at least 55.50 before it pulls back again and goes higher. Now, that is my view, and I don't believe that all the traders in this world would agree with me, but that's that. Okay, if you're new in here, just tell me if there is any pairs you want me to cover. Yeah, good sound. Then I want to do USD/SAR, because we didn't cover USD/SAR yesterday. USD/SAR is now, I would say, kind of bearish, but it's struggling. Okay, so USD/SAR would go up when there's a lot of risk, which it has done now, and it will fall when there is not a lot of risk. And it seems to be at least slowing down, and for me it could still pop up, but what it seems to be now, it is slowing down. This could be then the last move before it falls again. Okay, so for me, I would be interested in selling this one around 14.90 all the way up to 15 and 50 pips stop loss, or 100 actually on this one, and then target is 14.63. USD CAD we did yesterday, and we're looking to sell this one, anything that would make it sell. So entry at around 32.70, 50 pip stop loss, target is 31.97. Okay, that sounds amazing. Easy. If it goes up, doesn't matter to me. NSD, we're looking to buy this one literally, and with a target of 65.200. Any entry within the 64.30 to 64 flat area is to be considered, and especially if it comes down to 64.115 would be amazing. Okay, 50 pip stop loss, we're looking for a buy here. Pound USD we did yesterday, so we're just continuing to look for 31.42. 50 pips stop loss, looking for buys. Gold, we're looking for, I guess, buys here as well, even though it's a bit contrary, but we're going higher now, so that's what we're looking at. For this to go higher, catching a pullback. Target is around 1600, but I believe this one, if it goes higher, and if you want to go higher, it can go higher if risks goes on. But if risk doesn't go on, like I want to, which I anticipate, I think this will fall down again. So just be careful, and it should be maybe entering here or here if you're already in a buy, and put your stop loss to break even. I think that's a better idea for you on gold. Pound yen, we're just looking, I'm not looking, but the market seems to be rising with a target of 44,500. I would have sold it, but only in this area here. So for me, this is not a good place to be. Hello Dwayne, hello Ahmed, hello Johnny, no, Jenny. Yeah, I guess you maybe have to tell me your name so I can like send a voice message on Telegram. Sorry. I'm very fine, thank you. I'm very fine, thank you. And thank you guys for joining me. And thank you guys for commenting. Is there any pairs you want me to cover? I have been through oil. I have been through USD CAD, SAR, USD SAR. I have been through New Zealand dollar. Now pound yen. So we're looking to buy. No, the market is looking to buy. I'm not looking to buy it. So yeah, then euro yen as well. Another thing that we would like to see rise, because that also means euro USD, that I am looking to buy as well, or actually is buying as well. So want a higher high, higher low, and then sell, buy it again. We have entries in here at around 0.840, 30 in between here. So we're just wanting, because on a lower time frame it has reversed, but my broker hasn't made a new low. This one has made a new low on Friday, so I don't know what's going on. We shall see on market open today. And yeah, I think that's that. Wanting this one to reverse. I'm not buying euro yen, even though I would. My entry was up here and I didn't get it, so I'm very disappointed. But yeah, that's that. Euro, CAD yen. I think this one is still strong. If still looking for a price to go higher, I do 83.41, 50 pip stop loss of this place here. Why am I just doing this very quickly? It's because this has reversed so far, and as long as it doesn't make a new low, then I can be engaged again. But CAD seems to be very strong compared to euro yen, for example. Totally different. So this one is definitely stronger, so just until it breaks, it will go higher. Okay, isn't that amazing? So we would love to go to Aussie yen for some time. Aussie USD, I mean, sorry. Wanting this one to go, wanting this one to go higher. Okay, straightforward. If it goes all the way down here, I won't like it, but I can bet at 67, 112, I guess, 61, 67, 12. But I believe if it's going to go higher, it's going to go higher than this. So if it breaks above, I think we're at least target is 68.50 of this level here. So 68.50, yeah, I think that's what would happen in the end if we now start to move higher. If it makes a low, it's out. We have stop losses for such. 50 pip stop loss if you're entering. I think this seems to be good enough for me. So yeah. Aussie yen. Interesting. I think this one's a bit in the what do you call it, in the balance? No. Just where is it going? It's not. It's nowhere. It's not going anywhere. So for me, this is what I just drew now. It's what I mean about it. It's sideways until it breaks out. Maybe we'll break out higher and then sell off in March. I think that's my plan actually by now because it's so bullish, and I'm a bear in February. So yeah. So I've gone through some of the pairs right now. I have gone through USD, I've gone through yen, and I've gone through US oil. So I would just go to my to find if anyone else has entered in the meantime. Nobody has entered in the meantime. So let's see. 34. Yeah, okay. Good. Nothing else, nothing new. Then we have the same number. So where do you think, like, what is the best place to go for random numbers? Should we do an Excel? Should we go for, so if you want to go to Excel, I can go to Excel, and then we'll just find the random number equation, or we should go to a site, so you can type in website. Yeah, I would say so to Dwayne about ASEAN that is ranging and it's not showing any specific trend compared to this one. This one is okay, this is okay, but for this to start falling down again, doesn't matter. Yeah, actually I did, Dwayne, I did. No, not me. It was my dad. So what should we do? Should we just go for a website? Random number. Let's see if I can find. So if you learned anything in this thing here, then please give it a like. And if you have subscribed, please subscribe. Okay. So I have made an Excel sheet. All the names is on that side of the sheet, so you can see the names. I don't want you to see the names. And yeah, whoops. And then we have 1 to 32. I just removed one of my own entries, which is not allowed. So yeah, okay. 1 to 30. 1 to 32. Are we ready? Are you ready? So the first one who says ready, then I will do it, okay? So if you're ready. Yeah, there's a delay. Let's see. Nobody ready? Yeah, okay. Number 15, congratulations. Number 15. I will contact you, number 15, and let's see if I can figure out who you are. 15. Let's see. I think that is Victor Rametse. I think that's Victor Rametse. And I don't understand his number, so maybe it's Kenyan. But yeah, number 15, Victor Ramsey. I will send you an email and I will try to contact you maybe on WhatsApp. Or if you're watching, please contact me. And yeah, So for everyone else, I am sorry if you didn't get it. I congratulate one person today, and until other times, I think I will do it again. So just be with me, but also I think this should not be the step or the end. I think this should be the start, maybe. As some of you have now become my friends, we now want to, I should now help you more. I should now help you individually, but also as a group. We're now stronger, we're now better, and we also now are blooming. The group is blooming, so I think that's that. So I will go through pound, and I know maybe the likes will now go down or the viewers will now go down. I'm sorry, but congratulations, Victor. You are the lucky winner. And if Victor doesn't, within 1 week, claim his fame or claim his prize, we will give it to somebody else. Okay? Yeah. So we can go through some pairs. We can go through some pounds. I know people likes pound. Somebody wants pound yen. Pound yen for me is up. I'm not buying it, but you can buy it. But it's very strong. It's very near resistance, so you should be very confident and you should not be taking huge risks. But for that matter, it's still up to 144. I think that's important. Okay, and then I would say, which is up, and you're trading pound yen, which is up. Then you're also buying pound Swissy, which is up. Up to target, which is 29.29. So just short of 129.30. Okay? Isn't that amazing? And if you liked anything of this, if you want me to do another mentorship giveaway, I think you maybe should comment that in the description, in the comment section after this video, if you watch it. So because for me, this is like, okay, I can do it if I want to. I don't need to do it. So if you really want it, you kind of have to claim what you don't want, or what you don't tell, or what you don't say, you will never get. Sorry, how's that work? What you never ask for, you will never get. So ask for it, and you might get it. Pound Aussie is, I would say, oops, did I say? In a kind of a range, I would say, maybe. Is that what you call it? It's kind of indefinite because of this move here, which is the strongest one. And then this one is just a pullback of it. It's just a continuation. But I want Aussie to be strong next week, so I don't know. But yeah, should we see how? Okay, 50% retracement. Okay, maybe. So I don't know about this one, which is we shall say up then, just to flip a coin because of pound. Pound is up next week. Okay, that was everything. If you don't ask, you don't get it. Yeah, true. And so pound Aussie up. It's not my favorite, I would say, at least, so I won't put money onto it. Pound CAD. If I want CAD to be strong and I want pound to be strong, should I be buying pound CAD? No, I should not be trading it at all. And what does this chart in front of me tell me? Well, let me tell you. It doesn't tell me anything. It tells me down. It tells me consolidation. It tells me up. Whoops. It tells me down. Tells me I don't know. 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 So until it breaks out, I don't know. It might go higher. It might go lower. So this is not a pair I wanted to trade, so let's just put an X here. So let's find better things to do. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Yeah, I think that's that almost. Pound New Zealand. New Zealand has respected those two zones, and we're just in the middle, nowhere to be done. So that's your entry for the month. That's your entry for the month. And yeah, I think that's that. Is there any other pair you want me to cover? And if not, I guess that's the end of it. If you want me to explain more fundamental analysis, technical analysis, how to view a specific pair, what you should look for, I have been putting up I have USD trades yesterday on my weekly video, which is just for USD, just to be doing the majors. Today, you're here to generate questions. Is there anything you want to happen? Then you can do it now. If not, I will be sailing to the moon, and you will be left there sad and lost and wondering why didn't I ask anything? For example, New Zealand CAD. Is this a market you want to be trading? I wouldn't say so that much. Well, you can. This is bearish, I would say, just off the charts. Bear, sell here, because this is a new low, sell, new low, sell, too high pullback. So yeah, I don't know, maybe it's changing again. Maybe it's saying this is just a random walk in the park doing this. That could be the potential of it. So I wouldn't. How do you get your monthly level entries? I get them through pivot points. This is actually for monthly pivot points. So that's what I teach in my mentorship: how to use them, how to make them, and how to utilize them, and how to profit 200 to 500 pips from them a month once those swing trades really goes off. Okay. So this has reversed now, so I would look for buys only on New Zealand Swiss. Pretty much. Sounds like a good deal. Then I think this will go higher and then pull back, and then you can buy it. Where's the entry? Where's the target? I don't know. I can't remember. So stop loss below here at least, below 62.90. And yeah, and pivot points are amazing. And I just need two things. I need price action. I need pivot points. Then I can do that all day, every single month, every single year. And that's one of my secrets, I guess. One of the secrets is reversal patterns. This one is one. Then I use pivot points to time my targets. Yeah. So this one I would go back to. I guess also having a target of 64.26 maybe is a good thing. But also until the end of February is also like another thing. So maybe we'll be up until here then. So yeah, but this is coronavirus. So if this coronavirus goes better, then we'll be up here, I guess, back to what we have lost on coronavirus. Got it. Thank you. You're welcome. Good night. Please go to bed. I'm sorry. So yeah. What else? So if there's nothing else you want me to cover, please welcome traders to my Telegram group. I guess it is in the description below. If not, I will do that. We can go through some of the risks for next week, which is the calendar. Then we would depart. Like in this month then, so. Aye. Straight. Next week. let me see, let me do. Okay, so are you with me? For next week, I would say there's retail sales from New Zealand tomorrow. Apparently there's no concert. Oh, this one next week. So it's this week. Is that what I mean? So there is. Yeah, that was better. So there's just GDP of Japan tomorrow, and then there is some RBI meeting minutes which you should read. Even though if you're an Australia trader or not, you should read that. That's a report. Important. Unemployment rate. Interesting. On Tuesday. Some economic sentiment important as well. Should be positive, but it's not expected to be very positive. So maybe it's more positive than this price has been priced in. Then that's that. Then we have consumer price. We have consumer prices this week, retail prices. So this doesn't necessarily move the market a lot, but if there's a miss, this can move the market. Consumer price is the price or the economic event that is closest to the interest rate decision. Not that they will move accordingly, but if we have an overall trend where the interest rates is not meeting their target of 2.5 or 2%, depending on their economy, then you will maybe see traders pricing in a rate cut, which will send the currency down. So yeah, look out for your currency this week, but also the others, just to see how does the price. Always observe how does the price react. Is it a lot? Is it little? And if it's a lot, then it's most likely that they are now pricing in a new rate cut or rise. And it's not a tradable event, it's an observation event, and then you act later on of it. Same, yeah. So it's just retail prices and consumer prices this week for almost all. So pound, Aussie is employment, euro, USD, okay. CAD, yeah. So the major ones are coming out this week. So there's a lot of risk, not a lot, just something extra, but nothing that will crash the market or anything close to that. Okay, so I hope Victor will contact me, and I hope you have got some value, what to look for. So I mentioned what to look for this week in this calendar. Retail prices, the economic sentiment, the CPI, and the GDP. So look out for them, observe what is happening, take notes, so you can be better prepared in the future. Okay? Until then, until further ado, I thank you for joining. Thank you for signing up for my giveaway. And yeah, I wish you a happy week, profitable week, with a lot of entries, with a lot of targets, with a lot of pips from bottom of my heart. So don't risk money you cannot afford to lose. And please, please be happy. Okay, take care.